We've all heard of a Vietnamese banh mi, but have we seen a deconstructed one before? She's literally frying up the eggs right there, and it's super busy, so you know it's fresh. Look at my plate. Pate, sausage, meatballs, and 2 fried eggs swimming in this rich sauce. I've been told it's amazing. Let's try it. Let's get one really good bite. Egg, little pork, some pate, some meatball, and some sausage. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, that's so good. Add some chili next time. Now it's ready. Yes. Wow, so good. How much it cost? £1.70. £1.70.
NANI?